The electric drivetrain is coming.
Today, electrification of automotive fleets is still a niche activity. Although from 2020 onwards, we expect mass production of hybrid and electric vehicles. And that includes mild hybridization with 48-volt systems.
Legal requirements in all regions of the world are today's and future drivers to improve fuel economy and reduce CO2 emissions.
The automotive emission regulation is getting tighter every year. Especially here in China, we need to quickly reduce the pollution. For example, Beijing is going to implement even tighter regulations than the Euro 6 emission standard starting in 2016. To meet this almost close to zero level, electrification is a must, which translates to demand for hybrid and electric vehicle products and technologies.
With a comprehensive portfolio of vehicle electrification technologies, Delphi offers its customers solutions to meet new emission reduction standards globally.
Here at Delphi, we're committed to being a leader in the electrification market space. In fact, it's a key part of our company's growth strategy. And we've made a significant investment in our product portfolio. We have a comprehensive portfolio of high voltage connectors, high voltage wiring, and electrical centers. And we have done that by having a global presence. We have engineering capability and manufacturing capability in all the regions that our customers demand as they grow their electrification vehicles. To that end, in fact, today we're standing in Warren, Ohio at our Hybrid Electric Development Center. We have capabilities like this in both Warren, Ohio, Wuppertal, Germany, and in Shanghai, China. We develop products and processes in support of our global electrification customers, and we're winning with many of those OEMs through these capabilities.
One good example is a charge coupler. All regions, North America, Europe, and Asia, have their own standard. And our portfolio offers solutions for all of them. The Chinese automotive market is supposed to reach 500,000 electrical vehicles in the year 2016. And this figure will be doubled in 2020. Every electrical vehicle needs at least one charge coupler to recharge the battery. In some cases, even 2 couplers per car are needed if you want to recharge the battery from a charging station and a normal plug.
This electrification trend around the globe has a great influence on suppliers like Delphi. High voltages must be transmitted on security-relevant levels. Special precautions and developments must be applied. Not only for cables and connectors, operators of high-voltage assemblies need special qualifications and training, not only in the future, but today.
Despite the technological changes, employees at our production sites need to have a completely different mindset when it comes to high-voltage wiring harnesses. Our teams had to learn that there is no possibility of rework. In high-voltage production, we have to do it right the very first time, and high-voltage systems demand the most careful attention. We are therefore very selective when choosing our operators. As a minimum, they must have a high school diploma or equivalent, 2 years of crimping experience, and an outstanding record of performance in previous positions. Because rework is impossible, even the smallest mistake leads to scrap. First-time quality is paramount.
Even though the amount of produced high-voltage wiring harnesses is currently rather low, it is very complex. Low-voltage wiring systems are produced in hundreds of variants, while high-voltage systems are always the same. But every single piece must be perfect or scrapped for the sake of humans. Operators, mechanics in the garage, drivers and their passengers, all of them depend upon the safety of our high-voltage systems. Therefore, connectors are sealed, shielded and equipped with special devices to cut off the power circuit before the connection system can be opened. The special Delphi high-voltage connector consists of more than 20 pieces with 3 different seals and a shield. The complexity of high-voltage systems is here, inside the connector. High voltage is high-tech and very complex.
Delphi is a company with more than 30 years of experience in the production of hybrid and electric vehicle components. We are not only capable of providing products, but solutions, including high-voltage applications to create system and component level design and high-quality components for mass production. We are one of the leading suppliers to support most OEMs to launch their hybrid and electric vehicles globally. The automotive world becomes more complex. More variations and electrification are added to the vehicles. For us at Delphi, this is a great opportunity. This is the real world.